Hello friends, my name is Naresh Kumar. This is the video about how to make a Raspberry Pi print server to print 2x6-inch strips with the DNP RX1 printer. Normally when we install the CUPS driver on Raspberry Pi, it only prints a 4x6-inch print. No matter what paper size we select, it will only print 4x6. The only way to print other sizes, we will have to edit the PPD file of the printer in the CUPS folder. To do so, follow these steps. Firstly, we need to know the location of the PPD file on our Raspberry Pi. Open File Manager and navigate to File System Root. etc. CUPS and then PPD folder. Note this location and exit. Now we have to change the permissions to edit the PPD file. Open terminal and type cd/etc/cups/ppd and enter. Next type sudo chmod -r 777 enter. ls -alh enter. Lastly, type exit. Enter. Done. Now we have permission to edit PPD file. Open File Manager again. Go to File System Root. etc. CUPS. PPD and PPD file which is named as your printer's name. In my case, it is black_ds_RX1 PPD0. Follow the steps shown in the video and delete all other sizes except W288H432-DIV2, which is meant for 2x6s. Lastly, save the file, exit and test your print. Now your printer should print and cut the paper into 2x6s. You can follow the same steps for other sizes also, but you will have to install another printer for each size with a different name and edit its corresponding PPD file as per the size required. I hope the video will help you to print all possible sizes that can be printed in DNP RX1 printer. Thanks for watching.